What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to seal our driveway, you guys. Yep, I got one of those letters from HOA. Now, fortunately for me, my HOA is not that strict. I know some people, they can't even be outside of their home. You can't even stand outside of your front porch. But my HOA is not strict at all. But they did call me out on having an oil stain. I did have an oil stain on one of the cars. It was leaking oil bad. So yeah, and the oil stain been there for a while, and I was like, you know what? Before I got the letter, I was like, I think I should seal this. It kind of looks tacky, it looks tacky. So I was already going to seal it, but I got a letter in August, and they wanted me to have it done in August, and now we in mid-November, well, first week of November, but pretty soon it will be mid-November, right? So we are already in the first week of November, and I still haven't got it done. So yeah, and that's the story of my life with that. I bought this from Lowe's. If they have it on Amazon, I will try to look for a link, but if not, I'll drop the link from Lowe's. I'll scan this and then I'll drop the link to this so y'all can check it out for yourselves. Why did I choose this one? Well, because it says 10 years on it. So honestly, I don't know what the 10-year warranty mean. I will have to call the company and see, but I think they mean it may last 10 years. I know people that reseal their stuff every year. The last time I sealed my driveway was 2 years ago. I got somebody to do it. Somebody only charged me like $100 and they did it. But now they're charging like close to $300, you guys. So I'm doing it myself now. It says coverage will vary from 250 square foot to 350 square foot. And right here we have a 20 by 20, which means that's 400 square foot. And what it says, drying time, it says approximately 3 to 6 hours, depending on weather. It says 70 degrees and less. 50% humidity will be 8 to 24 hours. All right, and we are at 64 degrees, so we're gonna see what happens, you guys. More than likely, I'm gonna tell my wife, don't drive on it for the next, maybe like the next couple of days. All right, we'll see. I'll read more into this when we get there. My father-in-law gonna help me put this down. He bought some squeegees from Temu. We wanted some cheap disposable squeegees, okay? Because we don't do this on the daily. So this is my pole, but this is one of the squeegees. He's a Temu freak now. So he been buying stuff crazy on Temu, and we will be using this. And basically, this was only like $1 or something, you guys. So there's no need to reuse it. We'll just toss it. We'll take the loss, right? All right, so yeah, it says clean driveway. I already did that. When I got my HOA letter, they told me to power wash. I power wash, but my driveway still look ugly, you guys. I don't want my neighborhood to lose its value. All right. So it looks like a bunch of tar. Ugh, this stuff stinks. Ooh, smell like, y'all know when the people do the roads on the highway? Yep, smell just like that. Ugh, very strong. All right, you guys. So this will probably be the most professional thing that I do today. All right. I'm going to put the caution sign down. I've been wanting to do this my whole life. I'm just kidding. But this will be the most professional thing I do today. I had to make that clear to y'all because I never put down asphalt before, and it won't be professional. So I know the professionals are going to come onto the channel and say I did something wrong. So yeah, that's why I said this will be the most professional thing that I do today. All right, so we got that. Y'all probably going to say I'm not even doing this professional. You people on the internet are vicious. Y'all are vicious creatures, but it's okay. This is also made in the USA. I don't know if that mean anything to anybody. Oh yeah, we definitely gonna need those 2 buckets then.
Bring it this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way. Yeah, keep going, keep going. Oh, yeah. You may not need to buy that ceiling.
Nah, this I think if we do this twice, we're good. All right, you guys, and I am going to give y'all, well, will be the final review because I'm not going to put no more down. We are already in mid November, and to be honest, temperatures are getting cold, you guys. So we honestly put this down on a good day. It was warm outside. Leaves were still falling, so I had to pick some leaves out of the asphalt. But I have to say it went very well. Now I did go light with this. This product is very thin, okay? Very thin. So when you put it down, I was kind of rubbing hard, but with the squeegee I had no choice because I had to aim it like in the angle. So that's what I had to tell my father-in-law after put it in the angle. And don't mind that black spot. That black spot is a sealant. So we used the sealant in the grooves. My father-in-law went and bought a bottle. I had to ask him what bottle that he bought. So the crack between your concrete and asphalt is, well, my concrete and asphalt, not yours. Mine's is sealed, so hopefully we will get no weeds and stuff coming from out of here. Okay. And I did go on my concrete a little bit. Not worried about that because I plan on painting my concrete right here anyway, my little pathway. So I'll be painting that soon. But yeah, that black spot is sealant. We were sealing the cracks, sealing the cracks, sealing the cracks. So all of these are cracks that's been sealed. All right. And we will use another product, but the product is, I think it's going to be a little bit thicker. It's a different grade. The next product we do, so stay tuned. We will be doing that in springtime. I think we're done as far as the fall time goes. On the sides here, we use a rag, and it looks good. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.